bro. Just died straight up.
Okay, no, it's not really a bad idea.
I see how this. I see how this.
I'm already
It was like,
here,
what if I do it first and just like die every.
Moo ha ha ha. That's laughable.
Die. Extra noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so bored. Couldn't help but notice your balls from across the floor. Noses are Nicky, wakey, toe,
What if I make
baby,
this
toe,
like that?
baby.
Fine,
Unzip shield baggy, his pants,
Don't-
baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey nuzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it.
Holy shit. I beat misfire. I had to be that attempt. Are we fucking dead ass? Are we fucking dead ass? The one you say, the time you say, that's in the clip. I'm actually gonna kill my.
In the already
That's in the clip. That's. I'm rebeating it just so it's not in the clip. I'm rebeating just so it's not in the clip.